Hello viewers, hello students, welcome to this video of your online English class. In this video, we are going to discuss the second part, the second page of the beautiful story, The Canary, that is given on page number 14 of your English reader book. Now in the previous video, I had discussed the initial part, the first part of the story. The link for the first part is also given in the comment box as well as in the description box. You can click on the link and watch it again. Now in the previous video, I had explained you that it was Somu's birthday and Somu's father gave him a wonderful canary as a gift. Now what is a canary? A small येलो बर्ड. तो सोमू के बर्थडे पे उसके पापा ने उसको एक छोटा सा कैनरी गिफ्ट में दिया था एंड सोमू वाज वेरी हैप्पी विद दैट कैनरी, इजंट इट? एंड ही नेम्ड द कैनरी मॉली. Every day he used to clean the cage of Molly. He used to give her fresh water, seeds, lump of sugar every day. And Molly was also very happy with him. Molly was very happy with Somu because Somu looked after Molly very well. She used to sing sweet songs for Somu's friends. It continued for many days. Then, after some days, Somu lost interest in Molly. He was fed up looking after her. So now he started neglecting Molly. He forgot to clean her cage. He did not clean her cage. वो और कोई मॉली का देखभाल नहीं करता था वो. He forgot to clean her cage. He did not give her seeds. He did not give her water to drink. So Molly became very sad that Somu no longer loved her and she was feeling very hungry and thirsty because Somu had not given her water. Somu had not given her food. So now let us see further what happens to Molly. So here I am reading out the second page, that is page 14 of the story, and we shall discuss the story nicely. Tweet, tweet, called Molly loudly, but Somu was busy playing with his new toy gun. Yes, and he took no notice of her. He took no notice of the little bird. So यही वजह थी, सोमू को एक नया टॉय गन मिल गया था जिसके वजह से वो मॉली की तरफ देखता भी नहीं था, उसका ख्याल भी नहीं रखता था. So tweet, tweet called Molly loudly, but Somu was busy playing with his new toy gun and he took no notice of the little bird. She cried and her friends felt sorry for her. Her friends felt sorry for her. Tears ran down her face. Oh, I am in this cage and I can't get out to find food and water for myself, she said. So we saw in this paragraph that Somu neglected Molly. Somu और Molly का ख्याल नहीं रखता था because he had got a new toy gun to play with. उसको टॉय गन के साथ ज़्यादा मज़ा आता था तो वो मॉली को बिल्कुल भूल गया. एंड मॉली डिड नॉट हैव फूड, मॉली डिड नॉट हैव वाटर, मॉली कुड नॉट गेट आउट ऑफ हर केज ऑल्सो. सो मॉली वॉज वेरी 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 सैड. शी स्टार्टेड क्राइंग. टीयर्स रोल्ड डाउन हर आईज. इवन हर फ्रेंड्स वर हेल्पलेस. उसके फ्रेंड्स भी कैसे हेल्प करेंगे? मॉली तो केज के अंदर थी और उसके फ्रेंड्स केज के बाहर, और कैनरी लोग उसका केज कैसे खोल पाते? सो मॉली केप्ट ऑन वेटिंग फॉर फूड एंड वाटर. वो फूड और वाटर के लिए वेट करती रही और ऐसा करते करते शी वॉज ऑलमोस्ट हाफ डेड. अधमरी हो गई. नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट हैपेंस नेक्स्ट. नाउ लेट अस रीड फर्दर एंड डिस्कस. Chirpy, the sparrow, was sad too and said, "We wish we could help you." The little canary drooped her head and prayed to God. Chirpy was a friend of Molly. Chirpy was a sparrow. She also expressed her grief. उसने भी बोला कि हमें बहुत दुख है कि हम तुम्हारी मदद नहीं कर सकते. And the canary, Molly, sadly drooped her head. Drooped means to bend the head low, to bend down the head in sadness or in grief. And she prayed to God. Now let us look out. Now let us look further what is next in the story. Now early next morning, Somu's mother came to wake him up. She was surprised when she did not hear the sweet voice of canary. कैनरी की आवाज़ नहीं आई और वो सरप्राइज्ड हो गई. बोली क्या हुआ इसे, आज चिल्ला नहीं रही है, आज गा नहीं रही है. She peered into the cage. Peer means आंखें छोटी करना कोई चीज़ को अच्छे से देखने के लिए. Peered in English you can write peered means to look at something with your eyes half closed, trying to look very carefully. यूं. You can see on the video also, I have written the word meaning of peered. So she peered into the cage. Molly was lying half dead. Somu's mother took her out of the cage carefully and stroked her yellow feathers. Stroked means to run your fingers or to move your fingers over something. यूं सहलाना. And feathers means चिड़िया के पंख को feathers बोलते हैं. Okay? She fed the little bird with fresh seeds and water. She fed the little birds with fresh seeds and water. F-E-D, fed means past tense of feed, यानी खाना खिलाना. She was very angry with her son. Somu, what a dreadful thing. You can't look after this poor creature. You have no right to keep it. अगर इसका ख्याल नहीं रख सकते तो तुम्हें इसे पालने का कोई हक नहीं. क्रीचर मीन्स एनिमल. बर्ड्स, एनिमल्स सबको क्रीचर कह सकते हैं. CREATURE, क्रीचर मीन्स लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. I am so ashamed of you. Who said? Somu's mother. Somu burst into tears and felt very sorry. सोमू को अपनी गलती का एहसास हो गया कि उसको कैनरी का ख्याल रखना चाहिए था, उसको कैनरी को नेग्लेक्ट नहीं करना चाहिए था. Thereafter, he looked after Molly, the canary, very well. This is how the story ends. सोमू मम्मी की डांट खाता है और फिर उसको अपनी गलती का एहसास होता है और उसके बाद उस दिन से वो कैनरी का, मॉली का बहुत अच्छे से ख्याल रखता है. दिस इज हाउ द स्टोरी एंड्स. व्हाट डू यू लर्न फ्रॉम द स्टोरी? आप क्या सीखे इस स्टोरी से? दैट वी शुड ऑलवेज लव एंड टेक गुड केयर ऑफ आवर पेट्स. वी शुड ऑलवेज लव आवर पेट्स and take good care of them. This is what the story teaches. Okay, so read the story well and try to find out the answers of all the questions given in the exercise. Thank you for watching this video.